Equity markets suffered widespread losses for the second consecutive week. Like last week, the greatest losses in the major markets were seen in the Nasdaq, as the tech-centric index gave back over 4 percentage points last week. And just like the week prior, information technology was the second worst performer behind energy at the sector level. Energy prices suffered due to another weekly drop in oil and natural gas prices. The material sector was the lone positive performer, as it managed to generate a gain of just under a percentage point to see green for the second week in a row. Markets also took on a dour mood following the news that AstraZeneca suspended their COVID-19 vaccine trials temporarily after a participant in the vaccine trial had an unexpected illness. This vaccine is being developed in conjunction with the University of Oxford and has been described by the World Health Organization as the world's leading candidate. But going into this week, Reuters reported that the vaccine trials have restarted, giving renewed optimism to the markets. In financial industry news, Tesla made headlines due to its sudden drop in price following the news that the company was passed over in favor of Etsy, Teradyne, and Catalent for the upcoming S&P 500 holding revision to take place on September 21st at market open. These three companies will be replacing H&R Block, Coty Inc., and Kohl's as the six companies trade places between the Midcap 400 and the S&P 500. It's important to note that just because a company is large in size, as well as in notoriety, it doesn't guarantee inclusion in an index like the S&P 500. The over $390 billion company would sit in the top 10 holdings of the S&P 500 based on market cap, if included. S&P Global provides a list of criteria that each company must meet in order to be eligible for inclusion, but at the end of the day, an index committee is tasked with selection of the members. This news event serves as a useful reminder to investors that while the Dow Jones Indices licenses its indices to third parties, it is not possible to invest directly in an index. As we go into this week, investors will be looking at a number of economic reports as the coronavirus fallout continues to play out, as they compare the results of what has happened with the progress towards normalization.